Today I'm going to show you how to file your California sales and use tax return with the CDTFA when you had no tangible sales. Digital product sales in the state of California are not subject to sales tax because there's no tangible product. You will not be collecting nor remitting sales tax if you sell digital products in California. Now, some of you may hold a California seller's permit and you may have had digital sales. In that case, you will need to file a California sales and use tax return, and you will need to claim those digital sales, although you will not be paying sales tax on them. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration, where you obtain and file your reports for your seller's permit, requires that you close your account if it is going to be inactive. But if you plan on making tangible sales in the future, you still need to file a return stating that you did not make any sales in this current reporting period. At cdtfa.ca.gov, we're going to go ahead and click right here where it says File and Make a Payment. Now, if you have not already created a username and a login, then you're going to click Sign Up Now down here. Once you have signed up through their process, then you're going to go ahead and enter your username and password right here. To require you to send an authentication text or an authentication email. So go ahead and select which one you would like here. Now, once you have logged in, you will see your seller's permit accounts listed down here. Go ahead and click on the account that you wish to do the filing for, and then you're going to see all of your listed reports over on this side. Right here, you will have an action reminder right here that will tell you that your return is going to be due, and you can go ahead and click right there. Next, you're going to be asked for your total sales. This includes taxable and non-taxable sales. So if you did have product sales, however, your sales were not subject to sales tax, such as the sale of digital products, then you are going to go ahead and you're going to enter that information in here. Next, you're going to be asked about non-taxable sales, and these are going to be deducted from the total amount that is subject to sales tax. So for those of you that had digital product sales that you may have entered in on that last page, let's say, for example, you made $5,000 selling online e-courses, then you would have entered in that amount on the prior page. Here, you are going to enter in a deduction for that amount because digital sales are not subject to sales tax. Now, the one that's going to match the best for me is I'm going to select Other, and then in the description, I'm going to add digital products. Then I'm going to add in the amount of digital product sales. We can see here that I have $0 total tax due. Now, if we did owe any sales tax here on this page, it would be where we enter in the districts that the specific sales took place in, where they were sold and shipped to, or where they were purchased in, because this is going to apply district taxes that differs from each and every district that those items are sold in. Because this is a $0 sales tax report, I'm going to have zeros here. Next, sign the declaration of intent stating that everything you stated here is true and correct. This is then going to give you your confirmation screen. Make sure that you save this as a PDF for your records. And if you are someone that does owe a payment, make sure that you don't stop here. Make sure that you click on the Make a Payment section right here.